bioeconomy will be a success story also in Central and Eastern Europe. For this one we need new knowledge, skilled professionals. We need the young generation. In my opinion, in agriculture, we were not yet inventing the iPhone of the agriculture. I think we need, so to say, to reinvent the agriculture and what is on agriculture, how we use the biomass, what we do from the biomass, at not just food feed level, but at industrial scale, in energy. And for this one, we need a new generation. We need to reinvent. We need to reinvent and invent the iPhone for the future of the biomass. And this is bioeconomy. And here, the young generation can buy in and should buy in my opinion.